What's some interesting things when you buy cottages or you buy rural properties today? We do quite a few of them. Some of the big things, the first question is internet. Do they have the right internet? You do need to check with the companies. Just because Bell may be there or another company may be there, do they have enough room on their satellite? You want to make sure if you're working from home that you're able to get the actual speeds you need. The other things that are a little bit different that you want to check for is if they have a well. Is it dug? Is it drilled? Does it supply enough water? On top of that, if you are going to have a mortgage, you're going to need a water test done. Otherwise, most mortgage companies, insurance companies do not want to hand that over, so I highly recommend that you make sure the water passes. There's different ways to help with that. I would definitely have that checked out. And then you have your septic. You want to make sure the septic's been installed properly as far as the jurisdiction at that time when it was installed. I would highly recommend to see it being pumped out before you close to make sure there's nothing wrong with it. That way you can take a quick look and have the inspector look and making sure you're not having a problem with it. If you do have a home inspection condition in, you can do it during that time. But I would have it emptied before you move into the property, just understand. Outside of that, the one thing which we may not do in Durham is get as many surveys done. If you're in rural properties, depending on the size of the lot, if there's anything really important, that's when you may want to find out about the survey if you're worried about your lot lines in any fashion. You don't always need it, but that would be depending on why you're buying that rural property in the first place.